Hi guys, welcome to the video. I am going to be showing you some slime that I recently made. This is a really cool slime. Well, I think it is anyways. So sorry if you can't see very well. I am using an iPad for this. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Slime, because I'm Slime Queen. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button because I will be doing more videos. And I'm also giving a slime giveaway. So let's show you the slime that I was on about. So I know you can't see much.
Now you can.
So basically this is the slime. Really perky. Really stretchy. And it's also very bulky. So, yeah, this slime is really cool and really cute. And I would definitely recommend trying to make slime. It is so fun to make. Hold on, I have to do something. It is so fun to make. So you guys are going to watch as I make it a bit puffier and a bit bigger. So I'm going to go ahead, get my shaving foam. Put some on. So I'm mixing this in with my hands, so I'm going to get messy. Let's take up the top. Let's take off the top of my activator. Put some on there. Let's start mixing in properly. I will be doing more slime videos because I've got my ingredients too now. Before I couldn't make slime because I was really struggling, and my last attempt of slime turned out in a sloppy shaving foam mess. So this is having a slime that actually works is really nice, and also really stretchy slime. Just puffins it up a bit, makes it a fluffy slime. So the more I keep adding, the better and the bigger my slime actually gets. So let's go ahead and add a bit more. I think I might have added a little bit too much. We're just going to have to work with it. Now here's the scenario if you add too much. Find a little opening where it may or may not go into shaving foam and squirt some activator in there. Don't worry if you get it everywhere, your slime will hopefully pick it up. You don't want to add too much activator to the point where literally while you're playing with it, your activator is spilling out. And that's after a couple days. If that does happen, I recommend leaving it to set. And what I did is I got a sieve, put my slime in there and continuously pressed on it. That helped because it worked for me, so hopefully it will work for you. So I'd say that should be enough. Now I just need to mix those in and get them all in there. And I've made the slime so much more puffier, so much more fun, and so much more exciting to play with. Because now this slime is not only fun to play with, but it's bigger, it's puffier, and it's a puffer slime. So I actually just realized that I haven't done, because when I stretched it before, it had this really cool consistency, and I added way too much shaving foam before. And I just mixed some of this in, and it worked. So I'm just going to copy just do that again. This should work. Just spread it all over. I've actually almost used one saline bottle solution in one day. So while I'm doing this video, I'm going to quickly